Right. If you have never really used PayPal, this is the one to watch. We keep it dead simple. So, what is PayPal? It is a safer way to pay online and to send money to people. Here is the clever bit. You do not hand your card details to every shop. PayPal keeps them and pays on your behalf. So, three things. You can pay shops without handing over your card details. You can send money to people you know, and a personal account is free. If you can send a text, you can do this. Stick with me and I will show you every bit, including how to stay safe. First things first, let us get you signed up. Get the PayPal app from your app store or on a computer, just go to paypal.com. Either way, you land on this welcome screen and notice it is free. Pick a personal account and that is the ordinary one for you and me. Now tap sign up, you put in your name and your email, make a password and that is you. You only do this once, log in is just there for the next time you come back, nice and easy. Next, we are going to link a way to pay. To pay or to get paid, PayPal needs joining to your real money. So we add a money source, like a bank account or a debit or credit card. I will tap link a bank account. A card works the same way, so pick whichever you have handy. You only do this once. And here is the whole point of PayPal. When you buy something, the shop never sees your card or bank number. PayPal sits in the middle and shields it. That is what keeps your details out of a stranger's hand. Before we do anything, let us have a look around the screen. This card at the top is your balance. That is the money sitting in your PayPal, ready to use. This blue button is send. You tap that to pay a shop or to send money to a person. Beside it is request. That is how you ask someone to pay you or split a bill. And down the bottom is your activity. Every payment in and out is listed there. So you can always see where your money went, 4 parts, and that is honestly the whole thing. Right, let us send some money. From your home screen, what you want to do is tap send. This is the same whether you are paying a shop or paying a person. Now, who are you paying? You put it in their email, their phone number, or their name, and that is all you need to reach them. Then you type the amount. I will put £25 and then tap next. And now the screen that really matters. PayPal asks how you are paying with 2 choices. See this shield? It glows green when your money is protected. The first is friends and family. That is for people you actually know, splitting a bill or a gift. Notice no buyer protection on this one. The second is goods and services. That is for paying something and it is protected, so the shield turns green. Which one to pick really matters, so hold that thought. We come back to it in the safety bit. That is sending, now getting paid. Say someone owes you a few quid. Instead of chasing them, tap request. This lets you ask someone for money. Same as before, you put in who owes you, their email, their phone, or their name. Then the amount. Here, £6 for a 5-a-side. Tap request and they get a message asking them to pay you. They settle it with a single tap and that's it for splitting a bill. Right. Let's do a quick breather. Look how far you have already come. You've signed up for free. You have linked a bank or a card. You know your way around the screen and you can send money and request it. That is the whole everyday side of PayPal sorted. Now the part that actually keeps you safe. This next bit is the most important thing in the whole video. So buying things safely. Here is the rule to burn in. When you are buying from a shop or a stranger online, always choose goods and services every single time. Watch the shield turn green. That means you are protected. Here is what that protection does. If the thing never arrives, PayPal can refund you. If it turns up broken or nothing like what was described, you are covered and the seller pays that small fee, not you. That safety net has a name: purchase protection. It is the biggest reason to use PayPal for buying instead of just handing over your card. Exact fees and cover vary by country, but the protection is the point. Right, this is the bit I really need you to remember. The golden rule: if a seller or any stranger ever asks you to pay by friends and family to save the fees, do not do it. I mean it, do not do it. Watch the shield. Friends and family strips away all your protection. It cracks, and that is exactly why scammers ask for it. No protection means if they run off with your money, you cannot get it back. So only ever use friends and family for people you genuinely know. Your mate, your daughter, splitting a takeaway, never a stranger you're banned from. A few more tricks. Watch out for fake PayPal emails and texts. Do not click their links. Open the PayPal app yourself instead. PayPal will never ask for your password or full card number by email. And be wary of anyone who accidentally overpays and then asks you to send some back. And do this one today. Go into settings, then security, and turn on two-step verification. It just means a code as well as your password. So even if somebody got your password, it is not enough to get in. Switch it on. So how do you get your money back out? Any money in your PayPal balance moves straight to your bank account. You get two choices, and one is completely free. The standard way is free. It just takes a day or so to land. For most of us, that is grand, so pick this one. There is an instant option that arrives in minutes, but it costs a small fee. Only bother if you genuinely need it right now. And a quick word on fees. Sending to friends from your bank or balance is free, and when you buy with goods and services, the seller pays the fee, not you. Fees and limits are typical and vary by country. And that is PayPal safely. Sign up for free, link a bank or card, send money and request it, and always pick the right way to pay. So the one thing to take away: buying something, choose goods and services so you are protected. Friends and family, only ever for people you genuinely know. Get that right and you're miles safer than most. That's basically all there is to this video.